Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 44 at 60 words per minute. It's a journal office dictation, so be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Dear sir, we are in receipt of your letter dated 10th January 2005, in which you expressed your deep concern regarding the delay in the delivery of the goods ordered from us. We sincerely regret to learn about the inconvenience, disappointment, and financial loss caused to you due to the non delivery of the consignment dispatched by us on the 1st of this month. Please accept our heartfelt apologies for the inconvenience you and your valued customers have suffered. Para change. We wish to explain that your letter reached our office only yesterday evening after business hours, and therefore it could not be brought to our attention until this morning. Immediately upon reading your complaint, we took prompt steps to investigate the matter and determine the reasons behind the delay in the transportation and delivery of the goods. We fully understand the importance of timely delivery and deeply regret that our service did not meet your expectations on this occasion. Para change. We have already contacted the railway authorities and requested them to conduct an urgent inquiry into the matter. Although they have not yet submitted their final report, they have informed us that the bale in question was most likely loaded into the wrong wagon by mistake during transit. They have assured us that every effort is being made to trace the consignment and deliver it to you as quickly as possible. At the same time, we have strongly impressed upon the railway authorities the necessity of ensuring the prompt delivery of our consignments. We have emphasized that even A delay of a single day can result in considerable inconvenience and financial loss to our customers. We fully agree with your observation that these goods are in great demand during the winter season. We understand that the delay has forced you to disappoint many of your valued customers, and we sincerely regret this unfortunate situation. As soon as we receive the railway authorities' final report, we shall communicate the details to you immediately. We value your business and hope you will continue to place your trust in us despite this regrettable incident. Thanking you. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.